Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, and for today's video, I'll be reviewing an Amazon brush cleaner right here. I'll be linking the item I bought in the description as well if you want to take a look at it. So if you want to see my review and me test out this new brush set from Amazon, keep on. It comes with a brush holder stand, and then there's this piece as well. Oops, it's spinning. It comes with this piece as well. You just pop it in and out, and then one of the brush head collars fits in it, and then you put your brush inside, and then you spin it like this, and then it comes with a bowl with a collar lid. So the bowl's right here and the lid comes off, and you just put this in, and there you go. Okay, so I will be inserting a clip of me trying out and testing the brushes in the bathroom, and then I'll also be showing a time lapse of me cleaning them as much as I could. And then at the end, we're gonna come back to me, and then I'll give you my final impressions and recommendations for this. So let's get it. I have to clean a bunch of these ones. Hi everyone, so I will be reviewing cleaning some of my brushes today. I will be showcasing the makeup brush cleaner, portable electronic automatic one I got. So what it does is you clip in the piece, which I have already. You choose a suitable collar, which is one of these things that fits the brush you are using. And then you add some soap and water, and you start turning it, making sure the metal part does not touch the water, and hopefully it cleans the brushes. So if you want to see if this makeup brush actually works, keep on watching. We'll talk about it right now, and we'll see how it works. Okay, so quick overcap. I'm gonna give you my rating on this item. So it's $29.98 on Amazon. Comes with this. It comes with 8 brush heads. It comes with the brush spinner, and it takes AA batteries, I believe 2 of them. Comes with a stand. And then the 8 pieces do not fit on all brush heads if you think about it. You have, as I'll insert my brush collection, that was just a small amount. I have other brushes, and all of them fit in there. So what I ended up doing is just putting some in my hand and then just cleaning it naturally. Would I recommend this item? It's not a necessity for people to have, and it doesn't have as many brush heads as humanly possible. And there's a manual process to clean brushes. I only had a small amount of brushes, but I couldn't imagine if I did a big cleanup of my brushes, if I would be able to survive using that. So with that being said, I would give this item, to be honest, I wanna say maybe a 5, because some of the bigger brush heads, it's good to clean, but I wouldn't clean all my brushes. So if I had to give this brush cleaner set a rating, honestly, I'd give it a 4 or 5. I don't think it's necessary to have. I think I might use it for some of my bigger brush heads, but the rest of them, I might just do old school, clean it with some soap or soak it in warm water in a big container and just keep rinsing it out and shifting it out. Necessary. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you were thinking of getting this item, don't think it's a necessity. And if you like this review today, make sure to watch my other videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.